Okay, good afternoon. JT Ippolito here at NAB. Wait till you see the size of this Dazzle Plus series and look at the crispness of that video. It has to be a 30-foot screen by 30-foot screen? Amazing. What is the size of the screen?
This one?
Size?
It's 20 feet by 13 feet.
Okay, look at the crispness on this.
Like
4K, and it looks more like 10K. Got to wait for the ducks to come back. They were cute. You have to stop by their booth. They have a great product. And it looks like you can jump on one of the keys right now. I'll step back and give you a better view. Ooh. And this is their outdoor display panels. Gosh, look at that. Please go back to our YouTube channel. We had 8K TVs yesterday. You know, we've been saying they're going to be here, and they're here, and they are here now. In the Futures Park, which is all the latest and greatest products. Gosh, look at that. Amazing. I wanted to show you their live video of ducks. But then again, check out, look out. There's drones everywhere. You know what? I'll come back. Everywhere you turn, I can shoot something. Look at this remote control.
Hello?
It almost looks like a Mars lunar lander camera on a remote. We're only thinking drones, but these guys are thinking much farther out than that. Take a look at this one with the dual blades up and down. You could imagine the flexibility of that with the camera on. Oh, there's the chicks. I wanted to show you. You got a glimpse of it. So that's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. Keep in tune. We're going to be showing you a bunch of short clips from each individual area of anything and everything that's new and exciting, both professional and amateur.